Hello.
Yeah, welcome, bhai. Welcome. Thanks a lot.
Can everyone hear me?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Naveen bhai. Sorry, अभी बस थोड़ा सा busy वाले area में, इसीलिए. How is everybody doing?
All great, man. All great.
Great. Good to see you. Congratulations and greetings on your 4th AEX. Finally, मैं भी बड़ा
Thank
कल
you.
ये relieve होके हटाऊं कल.
Ayush,
4th AEX.
we have bestowed you with the area chairman star medal for helping Area 5 with the oxygen concentrators. Thanks a lot for your great support throughout.
Thank you so much, Naveen bhai. It means a lot. It's a great
Ayush,
honor,
I'm
and
sorry
I'm
to
happy
disturb
to.
you, but you're not visible. I think something else is visible. Some some machine or something. I think the air conditioner is visible.
नहीं आप दूसरे वाले को करो. मैं एक और में आया हुआ हूँ.
This is his theme for the table.
I joined it from 2 phones, so you have to change it. Spotlight change.
Kardi bhai. Yes.
Thank
Now you're
you,
visible.
thank you. Yes, so
मैंने कहा
thank you, Naveen bhai,
साल खत्म होते ही
for
आयुष
the
मशीन जैसा
wonderful
कैसे
honor.
हो गया?
So we are all at this place called Brooklyn Central in Elante, and having lunch. Maurya is with us, Maurya and Suresh bhai and Thanky and everybody. So we just got done with the text.
Okay.
But thank you, Naveen. Thank you so much for the wonderful honor. It means a lot. And I would like to reciprocate the same, because without your support, without Area 5 support, it would have been impossible to actually get this done. And there isme koi doubt hi nahi hai. I wouldn't have even dreamt of even taking that stand. So I would like to give you the Area Star Medal for Area 18 for really supporting me on this particular cause. And we were successful by the end of it. So all thanks to you and Rajat and the entire team of Area 5. Who worked relentlessly during the COVID times. The COVID task force was inspirational. The amount of work done by COVID task force was nothing short of a miracle, and it changed my perspective, honestly. उससे पहले लग रहा था हाँ दुनिया में हो रहा है, हमारे यहाँ नहीं हो रहा. फिर असली में देखा कि हमारे यहाँ ही हो रहा है. And that is what changed everything. So thank you so much for the wonderful year gone by, and especially the 4th quarter. And lastly, I would like to invite everybody. I know that you guys are doing an area AGM in Jaipur, I believe, and it's a wonderful property. Wonderful property. You'll have a rocking time. I'm definitely going to try and make it there. And on 27th, yes, 100%. And from 27th to 29th of August, we have our area AGM in Kufri, Shimla. And we want everybody from Area 5 to be there. You know, it's the first ever area AGM, so it's a bit emotional, but definitely it's something that you guys deserve to be there more than anybody, because it is only because of your help and support that we're able to reach this stage.
For sure. Looking forward the same from all our brothers from Area 18. Cheers to all of you.
Thank you.
Guys, so we are going to have 2 rocking weekends for the United Area 5 on the 27th and 28th. We have a grand AGM, the first AGM for Area 18, and then the next weekend we are going to have the AGM for Area 5. So 2 rocking weekends coming back to back. So let's gear up for some awesome fun. And thank you, Ayush, for always being a support, not just in tabling but any other matters as well. Not just on my behalf. I'm thanking you on Vinny's behalf as well. So thank you so much, and looking forward to see you in the AGM and your AGM as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Best wishes.